cat, lynx, dog, cow, rooster, deer, monkey,
Like and follow.
owl, horse, rabbit, the term pit bull commonly refers to a group of dog breeds, including the American Pit Bull Terrier, American Staffordshire Terrier, and Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Distinguishing features include their strong physique, well-defined musculature, and a distinctive broad head. What sets pit bulls apart is their often misunderstood reputation. While they have been historically bred for activities like bull baiting, they are known for their affectionate nature towards humans, earning them the nickname nanny dogs in the early 20th century. Pit bulls exhibit loyalty, intelligence, and resilience, but misconceptions have led to breed-specific legislation in some places. Understanding the individual temperament of each dog is crucial, as the behavior of pit bulls, like any breed, is shaped by their upbringing and environment. Their distinguishing characteristics, combined with a need for responsible ownership and care, make pit bulls a subject of both controversy and appreciation in the realm of domesticated animals.